Hello everybody, welcome back to Scoops TV. I'm Dale, and today we are going all post-apocalyptic warlord on you. Mad Max took a day off from busting caps and various asses to come over and personally give me a knife. The Benchmade 375fe-1 Fixed Adamas. That's a mouthful. It's a lovely, lovely day. Did it work? It's a lovely, lovely day. Yes, that Mad Max. We are going to unbox, take a look at, and do a full first review of the Fixed Adamas. Is it the ultimate survival knife? Let's find out. Shall we? Alright everybody, now that you're set up to see, let's take a look. The Benchmade 375fe-1 Fixed Adamas. This is the first full size we're going to be taking a look at here at Scoops TV. For some reason, I prefer the minis. Some of the minis are even quite large in my hands. Ooh. All right, first off, we got a nice polymer sheath here from Benchmade. Nice quality sheath. We have the malice clips for attaching. And we have the paracord handle with these rivet style screws. Alright, let's take a look. Let's start at the blade this time, do it backwards. There is a reason for that. So we have an intricate, dare I say, complicated drop point blade in flat dark earth. It's got the Benchmade logo on one side and the legendary Shane Sibbert design stamp on the other side. There is a lot going on with this blade, borderline more than there needs to be slightly in my opinion, but let's dig further, see if we can find out why. The blade is made of CPM crew wear, which in my opinion is probably the best choice for this blade given its strength to weight ratio and its field practicality. It keeps a sharp edge and it's easier to tool and sharpen than S30 or S90V, for example. CPM was designed as an upgrade to conventional crew wear. And D2, it's heat treatable to 60 to 65, so for the application or specific niche of this knife, it's just right, in my humble opinion. Let me know if you disagree in the comments, I'm sure you will. Starting at the back, we have some aggressive jimping. It ski slopes down the back of the swedge, which is a little different from the mini model, which starts about halfway. Down the blade runs all the way to the drop at the point. Runs nicely down the edge, through the pronounced bevel, straight through to the front of the choil. In the middle, we have these deep fuller or blood grooves, which slightly lighten the blade, but I don't think it's really needed on this, although it does give the blade a bit more character. Moving to the handle, it's interesting. I've been asked several times if this is a throwing knife. At first glance, it may appear to look like one, but as soon as you pick it up, you understand that it's not a throwing knife. It's not at all balanced like one, and I would never think of throwing this knife. It's a bit too heavy and too big. So no, people, this is not a throwing knife. If you expected that, you will be sorely disappointed. The handle is stainless steel. Here at the back of the handle, we have two holes for the paracord, which is one of the features that makes this the ultimate survival knife in my opinion. There are no moving parts. You have one solid chunk of steel. If there's no moving parts, that's less things that will break. The paracord handle is infinitely replaceable. If it wears out, just cut another chunk of paracord and braid it on there. Moving forward, we have the 4 large Adamas holes with the vertical grooves cut between them, giving it the Mad Max post-apocalyptic warlord look that we all know and love. But they also double as anchor points for your paracord handle. Overall, we have a knife a little over 9 inches, 4.2 inches on the blade and 4.9 inches on the handle. So it's a big knife. Coming in at 5.6 ounces is also a heavy knife. Ergonomically, it's aggressive and over the top, just like it looks. There is nothing discreet about it. It owns whatever situation it's in. It dominates the ergonomic just like it dominates the aesthetic. You can also buy handle scales for this knife if you don't like the paracord off of Amazon, eBay, or Blade HQ. Now, there are plenty of videos out there showing you how to braid on the paracords. I'll link one in the description if you don't know how. There are several ways to do it. Me, personally, I will probably order some custom scales off of eBay because I'm not a big fan of the paracord handles. So there you have it. First look at the all-new Fixed Adamas. I think Shane Sibbert did it right. It is an over-the-top look, over-the-top ergonomics on a large, heavy knife. This is by no means a discreet EDC knife. This is the knife you use in an emergency, outdoor, or shit hit the fan situation. This will be my go-to in my bug out bag. This is something I would expect to have on me for the rest of my life if I need it. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Oh, real quick, call to action. I get it. I watched YouTube for 10 years before I subscribed to anybody. If I would have known how much liking, commenting, or subscribing supports the channels, I would have done it a long time ago. So please hit that button.